Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Raquel, and if you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I install these Boho Twists. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. Alright, so I'm starting off by putting my hair into some small sections, and I'm using these elastic bands and the shine and jam to give me a more defined part. Alright, so now that I'm done sectioning the hair, I'm gonna go in with my braids. I'm using one piece straight and one piece curly, and that is what I'm gonna use to give me the twist. And you'll see here that I made the curly piece a little bit longer, just so that when I twist it, the curly piece will be at the end, and that's gonna give you the boho twist vibe. So I'm gonna plait the hair first before I do the twist, and I'm plaiting the hair about 4 times to ensure that I get a secure hold before I begin to twist. And I'm just gonna twist all the way down to the ends of the hair, and then I'm gonna tie the hair at the end to secure it from unraveling. And you'll see that I ended up coming back and putting an elastic band at the end of the hair because it kept unraveling. So I would go with option 2, where you place your elastic band at the end of the hair. I've moved on to option 2, where I'm using the straight braid to do the twist, and then I'm gonna add some curly hair using the crochet needle. Now that I've completed twisting all the hair, I'm gonna add curls to the end by wrapping it and dipping it in hot water. And after that, I'm just gonna go in and add my curly pieces using the crochet needle. To add the finishing touch, I'm going to add my mousse. Let me know how you think I did, guys. I think it came out pretty well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.